I'm Chris Kubal. Here's a look at your Local 5 weather impact forecast. Here's what we're tracking as we look ahead in the next 48 hours. A little bit of a break from the rain, but that will be changing. It pushes back in for Wednesday night through the Thursday morning drive up into midday. What is new is a sneaky severe risk that's building for Thursday afternoon, especially if we see a decent pop of warmth develop in a midday break. With that in mind, we have a weather impact alert in place. Level 1 risk on the severe weather outlook right now. But I do see an instance where that could increase just a little bit. Kind of a hodgepodge of everything, as we'll have some steady and soaking morning rain and rumbles, a breezy wind as we go throughout the day, and that severe risk through the second portion. For tomorrow, generally a break from the rain. We'll call it mostly cloudy overall. Temperatures into the 50s. Rain will return late and closer to sunset and beyond. Here's Futurecast with those details. A few showers across extreme southern Iowa, closer to the Missouri border, will be possible tonight into Wednesday morning. But then we turn to the evening with our next wave surge of moisture arriving from the south and west. This will be a bigger shield of rain and rumbles that will take over and hold steady through the morning drive and even up until midday. It's this midday break and clearing that we're especially going to be watching. Just how much can we warm? You do see some instances where Futurecast is trying to push the readings up in the mid-70s, charge that atmosphere. We have ample spin, so some of these redeveloping thunderstorms through the afternoon could be on the strong to severe side, something we will have to watch, no doubt. So with that in mind, we have a weather impact alert in place. The time frame for those strong to severe storms would be between 1 and 6 o'clock. Though rain would be possible at any point before that, we definitely key in on the early afternoon to be the best window for strong to severe storms. Best energy associated with it in that time frame, translating eastward, and then out of here will be quieter going into Thursday night. With those severe threats, have the categories fairly low right now, but all represented. There's going to be some heavy rainfall possible here as we go through the next few days, and still another round of rain on Friday. This shield of rain taking over, pushing through and out of here early on Saturday morning, just missing the wintry impacts with these next two systems just off to our north. So adding the next two soaking rains combined, there's going to be widespread amounts across the state running 1 to 3 inches of rainfall. If you catch those thunderstorms just right, it is possible to even exceed 3 inches. We'll continue to track that for you. Thankfully, we've been on the dry side as of late. We should be able to handle it in 2 instances fairly well. 41 degrees for tonight and 50 for your Wednesday. Look for that rain to build in closer to sunset. So I have 50 slated for Des Moines and central Iowa. And then looking ahead, the question is going to be how warm can we warm on Thursday afternoon? You do see some signal of some upper 60s and low 70s there along that cold front. That's going to trigger those thunderstorms. So we have that weather impact alert day in place, and then those temperatures will fall in sharply for the weekend. Generally dry for Easter weekend, and going into next week, those temperatures will try to bounce back a bit. Some small rain opportunities on Monday, and then again towards the end of next week.